अच्छा गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माई ब्लॉग। सो टाइम हो रहा है हमारा 6:45 और मुझे दिखाना है मम्मी का न्यू किचन जो बना है मॉड्यूलर वाला। तो दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। फ़िलहाल पापा अभी यहाँ आए हैं और मम्मी खिला रही पापा को खाना। ठीक, तो मम्मी पापा खाना खा रहे हैं और खाना खा लें फिर किचन दिखाता हूँ मैं और मम्मी साथ में दिखाएंगे। तो बने रहना वीडियो में, ठीक है। ठीक, तो मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद। तो ये हैगा मम्मी पापा का रूम, ठीक है। एकदम फुल टील कलर इसको कहते हैं, फुल मैचिंग हो रखी है, देख सकते हो। और ये वाला पर्दा कलर है बेड की बैक साइड से कलर की मैचिंग का, देख लो, ठीक है। ये है ये, बाकी इधर भी और सोफ़ा है, टेबल है और मम्मी की कबर्ड जिसको वार्डरोब कह सकते हैं। फिलहाल ये बेड है, ठीक। और ये मम्मी का और पापा का बेड की बैक साइड की मैचिंग का ये है कंबल, ठीक। भाई गर्म है, बिल्कुल गर्म, ठीक। और बाकी ये ड्रॉर है, ये ड्रॉर है, ये रही ड्रॉर और ये ड्रेसिंग टेबल है, ठीक है। बाकी ये चेयर्स हैं, जैसे कोई गेस्ट आए रूम में तो सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट होना चाहिए, ठीक है। और अब चलते हैं आगे। और ये जो फ्लावर पॉट रखा है अम्मी ने वहाँ, ये दियो ने बनाया है, ठीक है। अब चलते हैं आगे। बाकी लाइट, बढ़िया लाइट है, ये रही वॉल लाइट, ठीक। Yo guys, सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक। और बाकी ये मेरी टेबल है, मेरी और अतीबा की, मम्मी ने बनवाई है कारपेंटर से, ठीक। अभी दिखाता हूँ मेरे को बच्चों को। तो बाकी एकदम मजबूत टेबल है, प्योर वाइट कलर की। और इसमें ड्रॉर्स भी हैं, ये नहीं 3 ड्रॉर हैं इसमें, देखो। इसमें मेरा को सामान पड़ा है, चार्जर और इमेज के नोट्स वगैरह। और इसमें मेरा माइक पड़ा है, ठीक। और इस वाली में अपना चखना पड़ा है, ठीक है। बस यही रूम है। और एक चीज़ और दिखाता हूँ। तो ये रही नया वॉश बेसन विद वार्डरोब। और ये खोलने वाले हैं, मतलब अपना सामान रख लो, ठीक है। बाकी खुलता है ऐसे करके। और ये रहा न्यू वॉश बेसन, जिसमें पानी आता है कोल कोल झाड़ू में, ठीक। और ये रहा मिरर, फेस वॉश करते टाइम अपने आप को देख लो कि कहाँ पे लगाए और कहाँ पे नहीं, ठीक। अब चलते हैं मेन किचन की तरफ। चलो ओपन करो।
Hi everyone.
ये आइए हमको बताने।
So you must have known me, and if you haven't, so that means you're new to the channel. So I am Ahsan Bhai's sister. So today I'm going to show you my. Let me introduce you to myself. So I am Atiba Zahid, and I'm the youngest of this family, and Ahsan Bhai's sister, obviously. So today I'm going to show you my mom's kitchen. Like, damn, it's so pretty. My father has gifted to her in form of her birthday gift. So Ahsan Bhai, आप दिखा दीजिए कैसा दिखता है पहले ओवरऑल।
ये कुछ यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग है, ये वार्डरोब सारी एंड ये मेन स्लैब और फिर गैस स्टोव रखी है। और ये पूरा लंबा एक स्लैब है। और ये सामने डबल सिंक है। और नीचे भी रहेंगी ये वार्डरोब्स। और ये 3 ड्रॉर्स का सेट है, ये 2 ड्रॉर्स का सेट है, वो 1 सिंगल है। बाकी ये मम्मी की किचन अप्लाइंसेस रखे हुए हैं। और ये मिक्सर ग्राइंडर है, एयर फ्रायर है। और बाकी ये सम स्पेस छोटा मोटा सामान रखने के लिए है। और ये ग्रिल लगी हुई है। और ये स्विच बोर्ड है, फायर के लिए एक्सटिंग्विशर है। और न्यू गेट विथ मिरर डिज़ाइन एंड और ये हैं और ये चिमनी है। चिमनी तो चला के दिखाओ ज़रा। वो रहा हाउस का स्टार्ट पॉइंट। ये रही है चिमनी। लाइट खोलो, लाइट खुली हुई है इसकी। बाकी इसके स्पीड मोड्स हैं एंड रुको 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 रुको, हाँ आप सही है।
A little practical and let me show you like from the inside, because that's the outer of this kitchen. So let's go. So let's get into it. Like this is like the outer of it, and let's get into it. Let's go. So first we start from here. So this is like a very cute window here we have. Like it's giving very, you know, cutie princessy vibe. And yes, as it. Now this is like the first door. नीचे फालतू मत दिखाओ. So let's get into it. I mean, let's see. So first there is a very cute beautiful window. It's giving like princessy vibe, get it? So this is like the first shelf we have, and in which we have these lightings and we have some dals, and you know, you getting me right. I don't know what to say now. Let's close them, they will close automatically. Then this is like an open shelf, very pretty. We displayed it here, some sugar, tea and some coffee. We displayed here some sugar and tea and some coffee and some sweet that I don't know what is it. Then we have is our very beautiful chimney. I don't know what to say. And it's like open like this. Damn. Now if we want to do it to the next level, we will just do this. Now one more level, this. Now we want to close it. So 1 and 2. Close. Very generous. Then we have this cupboard. Okay, so in this cupboard we have some more dals and you know, more some things that are less in use but still in use. Like you're getting me. Now let's just close it. As I say, it will close automatically. Damn. Now in the lower shelf, the open lower shelf, we have some main spices that every household requires. Like I think that's red. I don't know, chili. That's turmeric. This is salt. This is one more chili and I don't know.
Many more spices.
Yes, many more spices and some solid masalas we do have right now. And this is a very cool scissor. We also consist like this is really cool. Damn. And then we have egg dispenser in which egg dispenser. It has some eggs and you know. Then we have in the next shelf we have some like cookers and you know, choppers and some household things we have, kitchen hold things we can say. Let's close them. Next in this shelves we consist of some like pantry things, some empty boxes, and that's our old hot pot and it was damn good. In this we have my mom's, you know, utensils, like everyday used utensils we have. Like these are my mom's favorite though. And this was RO space, but we didn't have an RO right now. Like we have ordered it, but it didn't come on time. So mom has made it into like some things for the, you know, sink. Something that I use for the sink. It is that. And it also has a clock. Now this is the place which consists of a microwave. This is our microwave. Yep, it worked though. It worked great. And this is our almirah, which consists of like good utensils. what
Crockery.
crockery safe. Yup. And this opens by its own. Like damn. Oh shit. And this is how it looks. It has my mom's.
Golden.
Yup. This is giving like a golden and warm vibe. Yep. And this is all my mom's favorite, utensils, glasses, cup and crockery. Dude, that's look great. You have to admit. And it will close by its own. Like, wait. Let's come into the lower tank. So this is my mom's very useful air fryer, which right now have brinjals in it. She must be cooking them for dinner. Then she forget to take out from it. Then we have our mixie, which
Grinder.
that's mixie, darling. Then in the lower bar shelf we have some rice, okay, some pickle and atta, that's all, and some sugar though. In this is like all the plates, but the shishe wali, the glass plates it consists, and some usually like glasses and cups which are not in the use so much. In the next one we have the small plates and some more not used very cups. Bam. Okay, so in this drawer it consists of spoons, scissors and these wooden.
Kitchen items.
Yep. These spoons give me this vibe. Nagar sang dhol baaje, This give me these vibes. So yeah, this is like all the things. In the next shelf we have some more spices that are not in the use but we use them often, like pink salt, Hershey's cocoa powder and tissue paper and a grinder and some shahi kheer masala, cornstarch, vanilla compound and many others. In the last shelf we have some pantry like Maggi masala, bakeries, cookie and Maggi
And many more items.
and some biscuits and many more. Yep, that's the correct what he said, many more. And this is like the stove. It is 3-burner stove. On, like damn. This is how it's supposed to on, and all of them works like. Now we don't waste gas. And in this now next one is we have cylinder and some methi. I think that's palak or methi. I don't know. That's bathua. Okay. In this one we have some more oil, rice, and more house kitchen whole things. Yep. In the last shelf we have some burtons, utensils and more such things that are not used display. Then we have my mom's 2 basins. They both work very nicely. These are my dual sink. Let's close them though. This is where like roti ka that chakla and tawa. So yeah, that's all. I don't know what to show you more. Yep. That's chimney's pipe.
Going into after.
Yep. So I hope you liked the kitchen. That's all I have to show you. And yep, there are these. We have like for like more spaces, but it doesn't have like many things right now. It have like a geyser for like a gas cylinder for the geyser and many more, and some things that are not meant to be shown to the camera. Yes, and that's all. So bye bye guys. Like, oh yeah, and that's the ceiling. It consists of a fan definitely and 2 lights and a very beautiful design.
And ceiling fan ये रहा, एक light हो रही and एक light ये रही, and that's a rod और ये exhaust fan.
So that's all from my side. Bye bye guys, love you.
तो बाकी बता देना कैसा लगा किचन कमेंट्स में, एंड लाइक कर देना, चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लेना आगे और ऐसे कंटेंट के लिए। मिलते हैं फिर से नए व्लॉग के साथ, तब तक गुड बाय, स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे हेल्दी, बाय।